Brushing my teeth, brushing my teeth, brushing my teeth.
Yeah, welcome back. It's day 3 of surgery on my organ, and I cleaned up most of the inside. It's looking a lot better. I've also got a whole heck of a lot of these wires labeled, so now we can get to desoldering them. Though I do want to say before I do any kind of work on the tone generator or the drive section, I don't think this is a lost cause. So honestly, this motor's kind of stiff and I think it might have to be replaced. And if you hear when I plug it in, the drivetrain doesn't sound great, but it's spinning up. And I think that's mainly down to the starter motor. And I also have the amp powered up. I mean, you can hear a bit of a 60 hertz buzz, so that might be a bad tube or a bad capacitor. That's totally replaceable. Also, dig this. So like, it works, it just doesn't, it kind of works. It doesn't quite work. It's definitely bad running motor. A little bit of chatter in the tone generator section, and the drawbars aren't all there. The buttons might need work too, but hey, that's just some cleaning with some deoxit. Not a huge problem.